Imagine this, glasses filled with all sort of colorful balls, and your mission, well, is to sort them out, of course. Before we get into the fun stuff, let's quickly check out some similar games. There are a bunch out there, but nothing beats our own, right? Now let's dive into the creative process. First up, we're heading to Photoshop to craft the game's visuals. A purple gradient backdrop with a white glass and 8 different colored balls. That's all we need to start. Now it's time to get coding. We're setting up the glasses, controlling their count and position with some handy variables. Next, I needed to create a system to randomly distribute the balls in the glasses. It took a while to crack this one. I mean, we're talking about choosing random balls from a selection of 8 and then strategically placing them in the glasses. Alright, let's fill up those glasses with a bunch of colorful balls. I gotta confess, this part was a bit of a wild ride for me as a rookie. I had to juggle a bunch of variables to make sure every ball found its perfect spot. There were a few bumps along the way, but hey, that's all part of the learning process, right? Now let's dive into the heart of the gameplay. It's super simple. You select the ball from one glass and drop it into another. But here's the catch. The receiving glass must either be empty or have the same colored ball on top. With the gameplay all figured out, it's time to add those final touches. A win message and a reset button, all designed in Photoshop. But let's not forget the struggle of making a reset button in Scratch. It may seem easy elsewhere, but we're here in Scratch, baby. And just to keep things interesting, we're making the game start with a random number of glasses. Could be 5, 6, 7 or 8. It's like a little surprise every time you hit play. And there you have it, guys. If you had fun and learned something new, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Scratch videos. See ya!